I'm talking with Darren Bannerman, the coach of the Ryde Hockey Club men's first grade team. Banners starting the season off with a win last week. Were you happy with what you saw?
Yeah, very happy with what happened on Saturday. I thought our defence was very good for most of the game. Our attack was very good. We scored 7 good goals, and all round our corners and everything went well. I thought just after half time we fell in a bit of a hole for 2 or 3 minutes, and they scored a couple of quick goals, but hopefully we can learn from that and build on the next few weeks.
What pleased you the most about the win?
Just our attitude to keep going when they scored those couple of quick goals. In the past we've fallen in a bit of a hole there and stopped playing, and they've got maybe 2 or 3 goals that we come back and kept playing the way we wanted to play, and at the end run over the top of them. I thought it was very pleasing, and everyone after the game was very happy with it.
Stuff. And what do you think we need to work on going into the season?
Just being consistent, not having those little lapses during the game. I think that we can do that. We're going to be more competitive, and I think we'll give these so-called top teams a run for their money.
And were there any players that impressed you on the weekend?
Overall, Ben Craig in the middle dominated the middle of the field. Young Nick, our midfield, I thought was quite good, and our way we rotated through the midfield and our strikers and that. I thought, yeah, it was some good team goals and some good play there. So it's something to build on in the future.
And then looking forward to this weekend, we've got Southwest Strikers. Is there anything in particular you want to achieve in this match?
Yeah, I don't want no goals this week, and I just really want us to play at a high tempo and just run them off the ball with our speed and our skill. And I think we can do that in the first 10 to 15 minutes. I think we can get a big score up against them, and I don't want any goals this week against us.
Fantastic, thanks Banners. Good luck this weekend, and hopefully we take this form into the rest of the season.
Cheers, thank you.